my name is Gianna, and today I am so excited to show you how easy it is to make herbal brownies at home using Green Queen's brownie kit. So within your kit, you're going to find our specially formulated dry mix, our shelf-stable, patent-pending potency booster, and a cloth for straining out your herbal material. So all you're going to need is your own favorite herb. 2 to 3 grams is more than enough. 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon of water. Next, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make these delicious brownies. The first step in any infusion is to decarboxylate your herb, which is just a fancy way of saying activating it by heat. I've already done this step, but for those of you who don't know what it is, all you're doing is sticking your herb in the oven for 25 minutes, and the directions are on the back of the bag, which makes it super easy. Now we're going to move on to the infusion stage. You're going to add your potency booster to a small saucepan with your decarbed herb. And for your reference, I'm using 3 grams of my favorite herb today. I bet you'll never guess which one it is, but you can really use as much or as little as you want. I'm not here to tell you how to live your life. So our patent pending potency booster is not only going to dramatically reduce your infusion time, but its unique makeup of fatty acids is actually going to result in increased bioavailability, meaning you're going to get a much more potent outcome. So now we're going to stick our potency booster and our herb on the stove for 20 minutes on a low heat, and I am going to be stirring it pretty frequently. Now that our herbal oil has been simmering for 20 minutes and the infusion fairies are done working their magic, we're ready to start on our brownies. I'm going to add 2 eggs and 1 tablespoon of water to our brownie mix. Next, I'm taking the filter cloth that comes in the kit and I'm just placing it over the bowl like this. This is where we strain our oil directly into the mix. And you can see how beautifully dark this oil has become in just 20 minutes. This is beautiful. Now that all of our ingredients are in the bowl, all we have to do is mix them together. And I do want to note that our dry mix is specially formulated to absorb more of those herbal properties that you want. For example, we use a special cocoa imported from Switzerland that is high in fat. So it's actually going to bind to those herbal properties a lot better than a traditional cocoa would. Also, it tastes delicious. Now that all our ingredients are mixed together, look at how good this consistency is. If I weren't on camera, I would totally be licking the spoon right now, and you totally should. So all that's left to do is transfer this into our baking pan, and I'm using an 8x8 baking pan that I already went ahead and greased. Now that our batter is in the pan, we're just going to stick this in the oven for about 25 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Our brownies are done and they smell amazing. You know they're finished when a toothpick inserted 2 inches from the outside comes out almost clean. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope Green Queen's brownie kit helps you on your infusion endeavors, but most importantly, I hope getting baked at home is always delicious for you.